Welcome back to day 9, Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. The default title is boring, but customizing your text in Final Cut Pro is easy once you know where to look. In under 3 minutes, we'll transform this basic text using the inspector. First, select your title clip in the timeline. Now, open the inspector in the top right corner. If you don't see it, click this icon or press Command +4. You'll see several tabs. Click on the one that looks like a bunch of lines for the text inspector. Here you have all your controls. You can click on the font name to open a drop-down menu and choose a new font. Use the size slider to make your text bigger or smaller. To change the color, scroll down to the face section and click the color swatch. This will open a color picker where you can choose any color you want. You can also add other effects, like an outline or a drop shadow, by checking the boxes in the inspector. Play around with these settings to create a look you like. Now you can create custom titles that match your style. Next, let's learn how to create smooth connections between our clips by adding transitions. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 10.